Right, thank you. Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. So, I think we are discussing about the Grignard reagent. Now, today, two important things that I want to discuss now. R1, C double bonded O, R2. Okay. Now, in place of any one R, if you put hydrogen, it will become aldehyde. Clear? Or else, we can consider this as the ketone, no problem. Okay. Now, for example, if I take this one, R, C double bonded O to leaving group. Clear? And this I told you in the last class, whether remembered or not, this is acid derivative. Acid derivative. Clear? Now, here I told you aldehydes and ketones undergo nucleophilic addition reactions. Nucleophilic addition is abbreviated as AN. Clear? Then acid derivatives. Okay, acid derivatives undergo which type of reaction? SN-AE reaction. SN-AE reaction. Clear? So now tell me, in both the cases, once you see mechanism of nucleophilic addition, once you see the mechanism of SN-AE, in both the cases, you know, RDS step is same. In both the cases, RDS step is same only. Okay. Now tell me, in RDS step is same. Okay. So that means in which case the rate will be faster? Can anyone tell me? In nucleophilic addition and in case of SN-AE mechanism, RDS step is same. Then which one will undergo fast
Students, sir has logged out because of some network issue. So he's trying to log in. So kindly wait. I hope I am audible. Sir got logged out because of some network issue and he's trying to come in. Please wait for 2 minutes.
So, hello students, tell me, are you able to hear me now? Are you able to hear me? What happened, students? No one is responding. Now, once I will show you the screen clearly. Okay, once I will show you the screen. See clearly now. See, aldehydes and ketones undergo nucleophilic addition with Grignard reagent. Acid derivatives will undergo SNAE with Grignard reagent. Okay, whose rate will be fast towards Grignard? Tell me, whose rate will be fast towards Grignard? Same rate? What happened? Whose rate will be fast towards Grignard? Quickly. Most of you are giving the answer same rate. Let me explain this one. Okay. Now, see clearly everyone now. Now, see, first of all, acid derivatives. Okay. So, what are the acid derivatives? For example, let me acid chloride. Okay, like this. Now, let me take the NH2. Clear? For example, I am taking. Now, here I am taking aldehyde or ketone R1 C double bonded O R2. Okay, I think you understood that rate of depends on what? Depends on amount of positive charge on carbonyl carbon. Amount of positive charge on carbonyl carbon. I hope it is clear to everyone. So now you take this one, you take this one also. Here what happened in the first one? Chlorine can donate lone pair back bonding. Nitrogen also donate the lone pair to the back bonding. Thereby the amount of positive charge what happened? Decreases. When amount of positive charge decreases, then rate will decrease here. Therefore, remember everyone, in aldehydes and ketones as well as acid derivatives, aldehydes and ketones undergo faster rate with Grignard. Anyone have any doubt in this one? Anyone have any doubt in this one? What happened? Aldehydes and ketones undergo faster rate with Grignard reagent than acid derivatives because all acid derivatives contain plus M group, electron donating group. They will decrease the amount of positive charge. Okay, when the amount of positive charge is less, then rate of reaction, what happened? Decreases. Hope you are understanding all these things. Clear everyone? Now, let us continue to our concept now. Okay, so here I am writing now, relative rate of reaction towards Grignard reagent. Okay, so first of all, remember everyone, first acid base reaction will happen because acid base reactions are very fast. Followed, then after what happened, RCOCl will come because in case of halogens, minus I group dominates. So halogens will, what I want to say, they will pull the electron cloud, thereby positive charge will be more here, nucleophile can attack easily. then after formaldehyde, okay, then after remaining aldehydes, then after remaining ketones, then after esters, okay, then after amides, okay. This is the order of reactivity towards Grignard reagent. This is the order of reactivity towards Grignard reagent. Okay, just wait for 1 minute, everyone. Everyone? So tell me, anyone have any doubt in this one? Aldehyde and Grignard have more rate only, but acid chloride will come first. Why? Why? Because minus I group is there. Minus I groups will increase the positive charge on carbonyl carbon. That is one exception case. Who is this? What is acid base? Acid base is the first reaction I told in Grignard reagent. Now you are asking what is acid base. And here one more question. In remaining aldehydes all react with same rate? No, that depends on crowding them. Because rate of nucleophilic addition inversely proportional to crowding. Any more still doubts? Any more doubts still? Okay, now coming back to our concept again, back now. See clearly in the, I think in the last class I told you R2CuLi and R2CD, R2CuLi and R2CD, okay, do not react with, aldehydes or ketones. Do not react with aldehydes or ketones because they are weak bases. Weak bases are good leaving groups. This I told you also. So R2CuLi and R2CD, they do not react with aldehydes or ketones, but they react with RCOCl. But they react with RCOCl. RCOCl. This is there in our CBSE textbook also even. Clear? So how they will react after writing this reaction? Then I will see your chart box. So RCOCl, okay, when treated with R2CuLi, R2CuLi, okay. So chlorine carry 3 lone pairs. Copper is having vacant d orbital. Clear? So chlorine will donate its lone pair to the vacant d orbital. Clear? Then what is the thing that is formed here then? RCO, chlorine will get the positive charge and copper will get the negative charge. and this copper is bonded to R2 Li. Clear? Next, pi bond will shift towards oxygen. Carbon gets positive charge here. Okay. Then this alkyl group will migrate from here to here. Alkyl migration. Okay. Try to understand. Here, everyone confused. R2 means two alkyl groups are there here. Out of two, one will migrate. Out of two, one will migrate. Try to understand, please. Okay. Now, then what happened here? R, C, now O minus, and here we got one R here. Clear? Then after Cl, positive charge, Cu, bonded to one more alkyl group, then this is Li. Followed? Now, when the negative charge is reversed back, this entire group has to depart out. Clear? Then what happened here? R, C double bonded OR, that is ketone. This preparation is there in our textbook also, in aldehydes and ketones. So once you see the mechanism clearly, try to understand, copy, then I will see the chat box for your response. Okay, this is the next part of the mechanism. Then finally, we will get the ketones. Tell me, anyone have any doubt in this mechanism? Anyone have any doubt in this mechanism? Please respond. Is it clear? Everyone? Okay, we will do some questions based on this mechanism now. At the end, again, I will show all the slides, Abhishek, don't worry. Okay, now here we will be doing some questions based on this mechanism. Okay, so write the question. Complete the following. Complete the following. Okay, so now this is reacting with CH3 MgBr with one equivalent only, followed by acidic hydrolysis. Come on, try to solve this one. I hope you got the answer. What happened? No one is responding. Did you got the answer or not? Please respond at least. One student responded, others. Others also, please. Why very few are solving the question? Let me explain the answer then. First question I will explain. Now, methyl magnesium bromide, one equivalent is there. Okay. So see clearly, I am solving the question here. So CH3 minus MgBr plus. Clear? So when the pi bond shifts here, this carbon get positive charge. You can ask me, why not add one more C double bonded O? You can do reaction wherever you want. Both are similar here. Clear? So now what happened? CH3 minus will attack. Okay. Try to understand. This will attack on this positively charged carbon. Okay. Then what happens? See clearly here. So CO minus. Okay. Then CH3 O. Then after C double bonded O. Followed. Now when the negative charge is reversed back. Okay. Now what happened? This bond has to be broken. When the negative charge reverses back, the bond has to be broken. Therefore, then what happened here then? So here C double bonded O, CH3, then here C double bonded O, O minus. As we are doing hydrolysis here, okay. So this C double bonded O, O minus is there now. This will take H plus ions from water. Then you will get this one. This is the final answer. If you do reaction, bottom or top also, the same thing will happen here. Okay, tell me, any doubt in this one? Any doubt in this one? Please tell me. What happened? No one is responding. Yes, okay. Come on. I will increase the difficulty level now. One more question. Now try to solve. Write down. So here I am taking OMe, C double bonded O, C double bonded O. Okay. So this is reacting with same CH3 MgBr, one equivalent and H3O plus. Now where CH3 will attack, that is important here. Tell me now. Here I am taking CH3 MgBr, one equivalent only, and followed by H3O plus. So here you have to understand where CH3 minus will attack. That is important here. Tell me where CH3 minus will attack. That is important here. Can anyone tell me? Only one equivalent is there with me. What happened? No one is responding. Let me give the answer then. Okay. Now, once you see everyone now. So, with respect to this C double bonded O, okay, this OMe is there now. It is at para position. They are exactly opposite. Para. At para, this is plus M group. Clear? Plus M group will minimize the positive charge here. Followed? Now, Let us think about other C double bonded O group then. Okay. Now see clearly with respect to this C double bonded O, this is ortho, this is meta. At meta, this is minus I group. Clear? Minus I groups will increase the amount of positive charge. So just now I told you, rate of nucleophilic addition depends on amount of positive charge. Therefore, reaction happens at this C double bonded only. Reaction happens at this one. Up to this point, clear to everyone? Tell me. Up to this point, is it clear to everyone? What happened? No one is giving the answer. Okay. Now, then do the remaining part of the reaction. I told you very clearly where the reaction takes place. Now you do and tell me the answer then. So pi bond will shift here. This gets the positive charge. Now CH3 minus attacks here. Okay. So directly I want to write the answer now. So this is the MEO. Okay. Now this will become carboxylic acid. This will become ketone. So any doubt to anyone in this answer? Any doubt to anyone in this answer? With respect to top C double bonded O, MEO is at para position. With respect to bottom, minus I position. Minus I means it increases the amount of positive charge. Tell me, any more doubts to anyone? No doubts? Right. One more question then. One more question. Come on. Now you guys should tell me. Okay. Now I am taking NO2 here. C double bonded O. C double bonded O. Okay. Now again same CH3 MgBr 1 equivalent followed by acidic hydrolysis. Okay. Now tell me where Grignard reaction happens. Tell me now. At which carbonyl the reaction will happen now? Tell me. What happened? Where reaction happen, at the top or the bottom? Top. Why? Why at the top? May I know why? Why? What is the reason? With the top C double bonded O, NO2 is at para position. At para, it is minus M group. And with respect to bottom, minus I. In mesomeric and inductive, which is dominating factor. Mesomeric is dominating factor. So very good. At the top, reaction will happen. At the top, reaction will happen. So directly I am writing the answer then once you see. Okay. So this is NO2. Clear? So reaction happens here. Then here you will get methyl. Then here you will get carboxylic acid. Any doubt to anyone? Please tell me here. Any doubt? Clear? Okay. Now, next one. Write down. This one, when treated with CH3 MgBr 1 equivalent followed by acidic hydrolysis, what is the product? Come on, think and tell me now. What happened? Where reaction happened? Why at bottom one? What is the reason? What is the reason at the bottom one? The bottom one is aldehyde. The top one is ketone. In aldehydes and ketones, which are more reactive? In aldehydes and ketones, which are more reactive? Aldehydes. Come on, write the reaction then. Hello? Hindi? దేని గురించి నాకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేదు, క్లాస్లో మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను. What is the answer then? I think you might have got the answer. Anyway, here I am writing the answer. Okay. So, as you told, reaction happens at aldehydic carbon. Clear? So, what is the answer here then? So, this ketone is there now. That will be as it is. Clear? Then here we will get Me, H, then here OH. This is the answer. Okay, tell me, anyone have any doubts here in this answer? Anyone have any doubts in this one? Okay, one more question. Come on, write down one more question. Now, COCl, this is C double bond O NH2. This is reacting with CH3 MgBr, one equivalent, followed by acidic hydrolysis. What is the product? Come on, tell me now. Tell me where the reaction will happen. Where the reaction will happen. At the top or at the bottom? Top. Most of the students are giving top and some of them are giving bottom. Come on, what happened? Others also please respond quickly. Top one is the acid chloride, bottom one is the amide. So where reaction happen? Then can anyone tell me what is the product formed here? What is the product formed here? Most of the students wrote top. Okay, fine. What is the answer then? What is the answer in this question? What is the answer? Reaction neither happens at top nor happens at bottom. Okay, this is acid base reaction. CH3 minus will take H plus from amide and forms methane. CH4 is the answer. Acid base reactions are fast. This is previous JEE advanced question. Very simple one. Did you answer? Did you understand the answer? So answer is methane. Acid base will happen. No one had given the correct answer in our class. I don't know why. And you know well, acid base reactions are fast reactions. Just now I had given one order also. In that I wrote first of all acid base only. At least now you got some clarity. Everyone. So answer is methane, CH4. But reaction do not happen at any carbonyl. Clear everyone? Right. Now here let us take one small tabular form here. Okay. So now here a small tabular form I am taking. Now here let me take RCOCl. Clear. Then I am taking aldehyde. Then I am taking ketone. Okay. Let me write these only in a correct way, in a proper way. So first of all, I am taking here acid chloride. Okay. Then I am taking here aldehyde. Then I am taking here ketone. Then I am taking here ester. Clear. Then I am taking here RC double bonded O NR2 amide. First one RCOCl, second one aldehyde, third one ketone, fourth one ester, last one amide. Which amide? Tertiary amide. RC double bonded O NR2 tertiary amide. Tertiary amide. Okay. Now let me take here RNA, alkyl sodium. Remember everyone, RNA will react with everyone. This I told you also. RNA will react with everyone. Alkyl sodium. Clear? Next, let us take RLi, alkyl lithium. Alkyl lithium also will react with everyone. Alkyl lithium will also react with everyone. Now, let us take our Grignard reagent, RMGX. Remember, RMGX also react with everyone. RMGX also will react with everyone. Okay, then I will take here R2ZN, dialkyl zinc. R2ZN. Clear? Remember, R2ZN will react with acid chloride, with aldehyde, with ketone. Sorry, ester. Okay, R2ZN will react with acid chloride, then after with aldehyde, then with ketone. Okay, R2ZN will not react with last two, ester and tertiary amide. Then I will take here R2CD, dialkyl cadmium. R2CD. Okay, just now I told you R2CD will react only with this one. R2CD will not react with anyone. Clear? Then the next one, R2CuLi. This also react only with this one. It will not react with anyone. Okay, this tabular form is the most important one. Is it clear? I hope you are understanding. So tell me, anyone have any doubt in this tabular form? Why we are considering tertiary amide? If you take primary or secondary, acid-base reaction will happen, man. R2Zn do not react with ester and tertiary amide because crowding is very high. Tell me, any other doubts in this tabular form? Any other doubts in this tabular form? Please respond. What happened? Clear? Let me change the concept here now. Okay, so now put the heading reaction with HCN. Reaction with HCN and RCN. Put the heading. Okay, come on. Let us start the reaction with HCN. So now what happened here? RMgX, okay, will react with HCN, hydrogen cyanide. So this will be R minus, pi bond will shift towards nitrogen, carbon get positive charge, R minus attacks on the positively charged carbon. R minus attacks on the positively charged carbon. Clear? Then what happened here? R, C, H, double bonded N, MgX, double bonded N, MgX. Okay, so which on hydrolysis? Which on hydrolysis gives aldehyde? Hope it is clear to everyone. Tell me, is it clear this reaction? No one is responding. Is it clear? Okay. Now, then after RMGX when treated with RCN. Now you try this reaction and tell me the product. RMGX reacting with alkyl cyanide RCN. And what is the product formed here? Okay, come on, tell me what is the product formed here? Ketone, very good. Ketone is formed. Good, good, ketone. Okay, now this one tell me then. RMGX treated with CO2 followed by acidic hydrolysis. Come on. RMGX treated with CO2 followed by acidic hydrolysis. Tell me, what is the product? Yes, carboxylic acid. Good, good, very good. Understood everyone? Carboxylic acid. Very good. Now, this one tell me then. RMGX treated with O2 followed by acidic hydrolysis. RMGX treated with O2 followed by acidic hydrolysis. Tell me what is the product formed here? Alcohol, very good, very good. Alcohol, good. People are doing very good, really, it's appreciable. Alcohol, okay. Come on, next one. Write down RMGX reacting with N triple bonded C, C triple bonded N. This compound is said to be cyanogen. CYA, let me write clearly this one. Cyanogen. Okay, so let me explain this one. R will get negative charge. Clear? Pi bond will shift towards nitrogen. Carbon get positive charge. So R minus attacks on this positive charge. Followed. Then what happened here? Here nitrogen gets the negative charge. Then here double bonded C R. Then here C triple bonded N. Okay. Now when the negative charge reversed back, then this has to depart out. So what is the product form? R is bonded to C, C is bonded to N. Cyanide is formed. Any doubts in this reaction to anyone? What is this 3 degree aldehyde? I didn't understand. In aldehydes, 3 degree will be there. First time I am listening this one. Okay, anyway, did you understand this one, everyone? Please respond. Cyanide formation. If you take excess also, the same thing will happen. The cyanide which is formed again will react. That's it, excess means. Here, okay. Here now I will be showing you the slides from the starting onwards. Okay. From the starting onwards, slides you see. Next one. Then next one. Okay. Then after this one. Then here we solve some questions. This is the next question. Then after this one. Then after this one, this tabular form, see clearly. Then here this one. Then this one. Okay. Then after this one, clear? So remaining things tomorrow we will continue. Clear, everyone? Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Ranjit sir.
Okay, sir. Yeah, thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.